In this video, I am going to show you how you can customize your Facebook feed by selecting Show More or Show Less on a post. You can customize your Facebook feed by selecting Show More or Show Less on a post from the Facebook app on your mobile device. Selecting Show More will temporarily increase the ranking score for that post and post like it, which is one of the factor Facebook use to personalize that you see in your feed. If you select Show Less, you will temporarily decrease its ranking score. Sometimes we don't have any control of our newsfeed. This video will help you to customize your Facebook feed. How to select Show More and Show Less on a post in your feed. From the Facebook app on your mobile device, go to the post you want to see more or less of. Tap 3 dot in the top right of the post. You will find a list of things. Tap plus Show More to see more posts like the one you selected, or tap the minus sign Show Less to see fewer posts like it. You can also tap Show More or Show Less option shown below certain posts in your feed. If you want to show less from this person or this page, tap on Show Less. By this way, you can customize your Facebook feed with your mobile. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope that was very helpful for you. Please give a thumbs up if this was helpful for you, and subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.